and a few green. I'll save these. In with the meat. This should last a couple of days. These leaves will be perfect for shelter. Versatile plant, food and materials. Looks clear, but I can't drink this directly. I need to boil it first. There, sealed, safe after purification. I can't afford to get sick now. This clearing looks good. Flat, sheltered. Checking the perimeter, no signs of animals or danger. This will be my camp tonight. I'll build the fire pit here and the shelter frame over by the tree. This location meets all my needs. More materials are needed. There, that's secure. One more to go. Wind and rain now. It's cooling now. Whole for the first time. Height feels less threatening now. One more log. It'll burn through the night. Calm, shallow spots, perfect for fishing. Look at those minnows schooling. Larger fish shadows, too. Whoa, look at all those bees. They're heading for that oak tree. Wow, wild bunny. Everything on these leaves. What a wonderful smelling meal. Licking my fingers clean, saving the rest for later. Stir it all, kill any sparks. Finally, some firmer ground. This is much better. Checking the sun. Southwest, right on track. These feel firm, perfectly ripe. Oh, perfect find. Fresh knee vitamins. Orange and red with black saddles. Corn snake, definitely. About 3 feet, as I estimated. A good meal. The pattern is beautiful, but survival is pragmatic. All right, let's begin processing. Holding it carefully now to make a secure package. Tying it tight with this vine. There, all set for later. Source secured. Every bit increases my survival odds. Lost some time, but the food value makes it worthwhile. Sun's position is good, reorienting southwest. It's coming from my left. Fresh lemon would be perfect for my snake meal. These will add crucial vitamin C, preventing scurvy. Taking more would be wasteful and greedy. There, a proper wilderness gourmet dinner. Gotta steer clear of that log. Phew, made it through. Straight now. Time for a break and food. Scanning for edible plants and fruits. I said get back! Stay back! These look familiar. Need to be quick. Got it. Now stay alert. Come on. Almost there. Yes. This coconut meat is so rich and fatty. Just what I needed after that coyote and all the walking. I'll save these pieces for later. And this whole one is for the raft. Tomorrow's journey will start from here. On! This bedding is soft. The fire's light helps. It'll work for tonight. Food's running low. Need to forage before the river. Secure the camp, grab the stick. Berries, roots, anything edible. That strong, familiar onion smell, perfect for flavoring. Small finds like this add up to meals out here. This looks to keep me going. A proper meal with meat and vegetables, then onto the river. Chicken, gotta make sure it's cooking evenly. Skin's browning nicely, now for the potatoes. So easily. Meat will stay good for at least a day if kept cool. She wraps the remaining potatoes. I feel stronger than I have in days. This raft has served me well. This elevated spot is perfect for camp tonight. I've been lost for days. How did you keep going?
Fear is natural. What matters is what you do with it. You did good, child. Clara Jane, I can call for help. The signal's weak, but it'll reach.
Yes, please, I'm Clara Jane, been lost for days. Hello, I'm Clara Jane, found in the Everglades.
Good.
Contact's on the way. This is incredible. Our pleasure. They're here for us.